Most common injury we sustain during sports, even day-to-day activities, is a sprain or a contusion, a hit by a cricket ball or accidentally hitting on an object, hitting a table, hitting a cot. All this can cause a bruise on your body part, swelling, pain, inability to work. So these injuries can be handled very easily at home by yourself. You don't have to run to hospital or a medical professional. Remember, cryotherapy, using a cold pack or using an ice pack, is a very ancient method of treating pain. I tell you today 3 situations where you can use cryotherapy or cold therapy by yourself. Rule number 1, in acute injury. That means when you sustain a sprain or a hit or any injury, you pick up some ice pack from your freezer, or if you don't have a ice in your freezer, you can buy a cool drink from a shop which is normally chilled, or your chilled beer what you're there inside, that also can be used. And sometimes you can use spirit or alcohol. When you pour it on body, it makes that part cool by evaporating. How to use? Firstly, duration. You must use ice pack or a cold pack at least for 10 minutes. At the same time, not more than 10 minutes. Ideally, 5 minutes to 10 minutes is a good duration for most people, even if they are sensitive to cold. What happens if you do more than 10 minutes? It disturbs your lymphatic circulation in the part. Lymph circulation actually removes your blood clots and other chemical pain producing particles from the affected site. So ideally, you apply for 10 minutes. How frequently you should apply? 10 minutes to 30 minutes. Every 10 minutes to 30 minutes, you can keep on applying throughout the day. This makes your injury heal very, very faster. Thirdly, how many days you can use this? First 72 hours, definitely critical to use cryotherapy, because 90% of your grade 1 sprains and injuries heal dramatically if you use cold therapy first 72 hours. Then next question comes, athletes or players or fitness population nowadays running marathons, cycling, trekking, and many activities people do. All these people can also sustain such injuries. So what they should do? In acute phase, they should follow the same method, 10 minutes, many times a day, continuously for the first 3 to 4 days. And during your training also, if you're feeling slight pain, swelling, or discomfort in your joints after the training, you can apply cold pack. You've gone for a run for 10 kilometers, you come back. If you feel pain or swelling, apply a cold pack. This can be done repeatedly every day after every training session. There is no harm. This is a modified cryotherapy for a regular training or for people who do intense training. The third situation is for elite players and athletes. You are preparing for Asian Games, Olympics, or competitive sport. Your training is going to be much harder. Your body is going to take a higher loads and joints may swell up a little bit, may cause certain pain. In these situations, what you should do, during training you can apply cold pack. Remember, your coach is incomplete if he doesn't carry ice pack to your ground. And you are not an elite athlete if you don't have a cold pack at home. It is easy to make an Indian situation. All your milk packets, once you take out of milk, you put water, seal it, put in your deep freezer. You can use it as a cold pack. So when you are training for elite training, what you do? You train for 10 minutes, you apply cold pack for 3 to 4 minutes. 10 minutes of training, 3 to 5 minutes of cold pack. This frequent rhythm is very, very important for healing. It seals down all small blood vessels which are leaking. Secondly, it reduces swelling. It soothes the nerve endings which cause pain and irritation. So that's a benefit. Last but important warning, don't apply ice directly on your skin because it can burn, it can cause you cold injury. Secondly, if you're in already a cold temperature, suppose if you're in Russia or some polar region or a very cold place in cold season, already your skin is vasoconstricted, that means the circulation is reduced, then you be careful when applying cold pack. Don't have a very prolonged sessions. Make a note, if they don't heal up in 3 to 4 days, you must visit your doctor, sports physio, sports doctor to evaluate further. All the best. If you have any doubts, please contact me.